Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And so I'm going to be starting the Admob tutorial, so kindly subscribe, because I've just found out the way to get money through Google Admob with creating a self-clicking app where I am the one that's going to do all the work. You don't have to publish your app to Play Store before you start gaining money. So first, I'm going to teach you how to sign up to the Admob. So let me just go straight. Let's search for Admob. Click on this one. So now this is it. So you have to first you put your country, so I'm in Nigeria, so I'll put Nigeria, but you have to put your country. Nigeria. So am I billing currency? So now I've put everything. So you don't have to read it, just click on it. So that's okay. I haven't selected a time zone. So this is the steps you have to follow. So you guys should just wait. This will be needful. So mine is West African time. I can't even find it. Okay, Lagos. So this is it. You have to put where you are from. So now I've completed it. So create an Admob account. So guys, pay attention to every bit of this. It's going to be needful. So confirm email. A confirmation email will be sent to your address. It contains some tips to get started. So you can just click this survey. Here you have it. Special offers, information about the organization. You can just click it. Or no. Wait. Click this. No. No. But if you want everything So let me continue. Next time you send confirmation message to me. So now we are in. So this is it. An Admob account for yourself. So you're waiting for it to load. So this is how to open an Admob account for those who don't know how to open it. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how to create an app. How to create an app for yourself where you can generate ads. Get. So in that ad, you can get it. You don't need to publish your app to any Google Play Store before you start earning money. Okay, guys, you get. So if you want to get notified when I post that video, kindly subscribe and click on the notification button and like this video. You'll find it useful, and also share. But oh god, this network is bad. If not, it's okay. So now get started. So I'm going to show you how to do all these things in our next video. So thanks for watching. Bye.